Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2016 Audi A3. Sorry about that. We are doing a door latch assembly slash handle. Customer provided his own parts. They were used parts, but this is really the only part I needed. Stuff like that. Door handle here itself had popped off, which means the plastic piece that holds the handle in, usually back in here, had broken off and allowed the handle itself to come all the way out. But this is what I needed to get replaced. But apparently the junkyard assembly did not like replacing or removing just this one specific item because it tends to break. But I was able to get it off the old one and put it on the new one with no problem. All right, so how we do this: take off this door panel. Here is the speaker grill. What you will do is pop that grill assembly off. You have a screw here, a screw right there, and one down there. I believe they're T15s or T20s. Door panel itself will then pop off. Just has standard trim clips. Well, not standard, but Audi trim clips, put it that way. Two connectors, one for the speaker right there, one for the door electrical systems and stuff like that, and then the panel itself will come off with no issue. Now, this little panel right here will come out of the way, just pulls off, and you can gain access to all the assemblies and stuff back in the back. And since I've already got this on, I can't really show you how it kind of looks inside, but it's not that big of an issue. There's a screw, it's going to sit in here like yay. There's a screw behind this handle, it goes right here, that will hold this assembly in place. So once this handle right here is off, which is likely, if it's broken it already is, so from there the screw will come out, this assembly will pull backwards and just come off the door completely. Now it does have a section right here. This will have the cables and stuff like that, those little items right there, they will sit inside here. Now what I can tell is what they broke are going to be these little tangs right here where the assembly itself sits inside. So if you break these off, this piece won't stay put. But I can see a fix for that. If you ever have an issue, you can always put a zip tie around right here to hold that piece in place, so that way it doesn't pop out. But that's what I'm betting is they broke that, or broke this piece off right here. So the cable just kind of sits in place here, goes here, cable itself goes right there, so it stays in place and then wraps around. So in the process of doing that, that'll be fine. Now, funny part about these handles is the way it sits in here. It'll sit like this. Sorry, like this. Now, I'll show you another handle. Alright, so see the handle right here, how it's set up like this? There's two little slide grooves right here. They sit right in here. Right in this little pop right here. Kind of hard to show, but it's gonna go basically like that. It just sits in a groove. The handle piece then, once it's moved all the way forward, the handle piece will then go over the metal part right there, which when it pulls this assembly in order to pull the cable to open the door. So either this piece breaks off, or a piece in here snaps off, or this thing just gets old and decides to pop itself out. But that's typically what happens with those door handles. But yeah, overall about a 45-minute job. Parts are stupid expensive if you get brand new ones. Customer opted to get used ones, which is fine. But yeah, they have all kinds of fun little issues. Oh yeah, you also need to take off the cable for the door handle when it comes out, but that's easily explainable, self-explanatory. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.